Imagine an AI so powerful that it caused $1 trillion shakeup in the stock market without using the latest high-end chips. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's exactly what DeepSeek, China's latest AI breakthrough, has done. But how did they pull it off? And can it really compete with giants like ChatGPT? Stick around as we break it all down, because this isn't just another AI story. This is a game changer. So, what exactly is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is China's newest AI powerhouse. Developed by a team of researchers and launched in 2023, it has quickly gained global attention, not just for its cutting-edge technology, but also for the market disruption it caused. What sets DeepSeek apart? It's built on an open-source framework, meaning anyone can access, tweak, and improve its code. Think of it as the people's AI. Its flagship model, DeepSeek R1, offers performance comparable to OpenAI's GPT-4, but here's the kicker. It achieved this at a fraction of the cost. While GPT-4 reportedly cost over $100 million to train, DeepSeek achieved similar results for just $6 million. But how? Let's dive into the secret sauce behind DeepSeek's success. Most AI models require massive processing power, often relying on Nvidia's latest AI chips. But here's the twist. China is restricted from buying Nvidia's most advanced processors due to US export controls. So how did DeepSeek pull it off? Instead of throwing money at the problem, DeepSeek took a smarter approach. It optimized its data pipelines, used low-cost computing clusters, and streamlined its AI architecture to reduce power consumption, all while maintaining top-tier performance. Fewer GPUs, less energy, and still a powerhouse. But wait, there's more. DeepSeek also took a unique approach to data. While OpenAI and Google train their models on massive, expensive datasets, DeepSeek fine-tuned its AI using a mix of publicly available sources and China's vast internal data resources. This allowed it to compete without the same level of investment. So, what does this mean for the market? Let's find out. The AI boom has long been dominated by US companies until now. DeepSeek's rapid rise shook global markets almost overnight. When DeepSeek R1 was announced, major tech stocks plummeted. Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and Meta lost a combined $1 trillion in market value in just days. Nvidia alone suffered a record $593 billion drop in its stock value. The reason? Investors saw DeepSeek as a serious threat to US-based AI dominance. But DeepSeek's disruption wasn't just about stock prices. It also shook up the consumer AI market. Its innovative technology and competitive pricing forced established players to rethink their strategies, while consumers gained access to cutting-edge AI tools at unprecedented levels. So, what's the real impact? It's not just about market share. It's about reshaping the future of AI and challenging the status quo. So, how popular is DeepSeek? Since its launch, DeepSeek's AI app has skyrocketed in popularity. On the Apple App Store, it has been downloaded over 1.9 million times, while on Google Play, it's hit 1.2 million downloads, outpacing ChatGPT in some regions. But what makes it special? DeepSeek claims to offer faster response times and a more cost-efficient AI experience. But does it actually stack up against ChatGPT? Let's compare DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Features and limitations. Let's break it down. What does DeepSeek do well, and where does it fall short? Where DeepSeek excels? First, it's more cost-effective. DeepSeek runs on cheaper infrastructure, making it a more affordable option for users and businesses looking to integrate AI without breaking the bank. Second, it's open source. Unlike ChatGPT, DeepSeek is built on an open source model, meaning developers and businesses can customize and modify the AI freely. This could lead to rapid innovations and tailored solutions that fit different markets. Third, in privacy and localization, DeepSeek is tailored to the Chinese market and excels in understanding Chinese language nuances and cultural references. This is a huge advantage for users in China or those doing business there. Where DeepSeek falls short: first, it lacks image processing. While ChatGPT's paid version can handle multimodal input, both text and images, DeepSeek currently lacks image recognition capabilities. This limits its usefulness in tasks like image analysis or interactive media creation. Second, it has smaller context window. DeepSeek is more limited in holding longer conversations compared to GPT-4, which can handle complex, multi-turn dialogues. DeepSeek's memory capabilities are also not as extensive, making long-term context retention a challenge. Third, its censorship concerns. Being a Chinese AI, there are questions about the potential for government censorship or the filtering of content, especially around sensitive topics. This raises concerns about the freedom of information and transparency in AI responses. Despite these limitations, DeepSeek's open source nature is a game changer, offering greater accessibility and opportunities for innovation. So, why open source AI is a big deal? One of DeepSeek's biggest strengths is that it's open source. But why does that matter? First, it's faster innovation. Developers worldwide can access and improve the AI, leading to faster advancements. Second, it's lower costs. Open source AI is cheaper to develop and integrate, empowering smaller companies and independent developers. Third, it's greater transparency. Unlike proprietary models, DeepSeek's code can be audited by the public, ensuring fairness and reducing bias. This isn't just about competing with ChatGPT. It's about democratizing AI technology and making it accessible to everyone. Let's see challenges and controversies faced by DeepSeek till now. Despite its rapid rise, DeepSeek has faced its fair share of challenges. Recently, the platform was hit by a distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack, leading to temporary registration limits and service disruptions. Users have also reported frequent server-busy messages, indicating that DeepSeek's infrastructure is struggling to keep up with demand. Security concerns have also emerged. New York State has banned DeepSeek from government devices due to data privacy fears, and Australia's top research universities have blocked the app, citing security risks. These growing pains highlight the challenges DeepSeek must overcome to scale globally. Let's compare hardware and performance. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Let's talk hardware. ChatGPT runs on Nvidia A100 and H100 GPUs, some of the most powerful chips available. DeepSeek, however, relies on Nvidia A800 and H800 GPUs, which are less powerful versions, designed to comply with US export restrictions. This hardware limitation means DeepSeek can struggle to match ChatGPT's processing speed, especially during peak demand. But here's the twist. DeepSeek's efficiency might just level the playing field. What's next for DeepSeek? DeepSeek has already proven it can shake up the AI industry. But the big question is, can it keep up with OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic? With China's push for AI dominance and its focus on self-sufficiency, DeepSeek is likely just the beginning of a new wave of global AI competition. The real battle isn't just about features, it's about who controls the future of AI. And that's a game far bigger than just one company. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.